just understand so how you can use it. So go to your Excel. So this is your Excel. First thing what I want to do, so I want to select all the Excel. So go to the view where it is all lines. I don't want, there is the grid lines, click on it. So all your grid lines gone. So now this is very plain. So no grid lines are there. Select it again. So go to the home menu, and there is here that you can take any color, background color that you want. So fine, I'm taking this color. So now what I'm doing, I'm going to the insert. So there is here that some of the options which are related to maps only. So mind maps, flowcharts. Click on it. You can see multiple shapes that are there. So whatever the shape that you want, you can take. For example, I'm taking here that this shape. So you go give it, it will coming like this. So whatever the way that you want to change, here also some of the stuff you can do. So any way that you can experience it. Fine. I'm giving this one. So this is not that good. So let me give this one. Fine. So you can use any editing format here, that multiple options that are there, you can use them. So now let me write something. So my sample flowchart in Excel. Fine. What you do, go select all. So you can give that any style that you want. But let me give normal only. So here that color of your text, I'm taking this. In alignment, everything, some of the options, if you want to try it out, you can try it out. I'm directly increasing the size only. So go here, increase your size of this text. Fine. So what I want to do, I want this in middle, I want this in middle. So this is how you can do. Simple. Now other shapes also you can take it. So like this, so many shapes that are there. If you want to use the multiple shapes, you can use the based on your creativity. So that is fine. So I'm going to take this one, the set of shape. So this is group of the items that you can share. So you can take. So for example, if I want to take something, let me take, I'm taking this one. So you can use anything. List if you want, list, direct the map. So blueprint that is giving you, just you need to edit only. So whatever the, the presentation that you required, you can take it out. So based on all this multiple, the items that are there available. Fine. Now what I'm doing, let me take something, the circle. So let me do something, I'm taking this one. So click on it, it will come directly here. So you can take this to down. So now you can write anything the way you want. Here I want to write something, our data analytics. So here what you need to learn for the data analytics. Oh, shit. Okay, fine. You can directly write, no need to use anything. So I'm writing here that Excel. So here I'm writing here that SQL Server. So here I'm writing that, let me give something, the Python essentials. So here I'm writing the main important one, that is Power BI. So this is how your program. So these are all the important one. So you can select it, you can format it the way you want. So you can see any style. So you can use them, that is fine. So this is up to you, whatever the style that you want to see. So whatever the way that you want to see, you can see. And colors also, you can give it any colors that you want, multiple colors, single color, monocolor. So you can give like this. Fine. Some of the options that are there, you can check it out, the different options, how you can use it, how you can represent your data into the pictographical analysis like this flowchart. So this is fine, that you need to understand from these shapes. So I think you can play with them. So whenever you do practice, you do more practice on it. So because we are not going to do it, this is college level one. Whenever you want to do, you can do. So in the companies, you don't require to do much. So fine. Next to see the next one. So I want to understand that there is the filters. So we already seen that some of the filters, that is the drop down filter. So which is here. And one more filter that is there here, that slicer, the whatever the slicer that you can do in the Power BI, the same manner you can do here as well, but we need to follow the some of the steps to get it option. So that is one thing. Before this, I want you to understand. So you might familiar with your Power Query Editor. So those who have done with this Power BI, so Power Query Editor, the what you can do by using the Power Query Editor, we are going to transforming the data. So which means that whatever you want to make the changes or modifications, so you can do by using this. Perfect. But the problem is that, can we able to access the same thing in your Excel? Yes. So you have the same thing here also. So let's see how it is the, the very familiar, almost, the everything is the similar, familiar with the whatever it is there Excel. Same similarity it is here. So let me check it out, that one. So where it is that option, go to the data. Options, refresh, where it is that option. Let me check option. I forgot that option. Which one is? Where it is? This is not that. So let me check this one. Let me check this one. Combine queries. Okay, other queries here. Let me check this one. This is not that. Where it is that option. Okay, first we don't have data here. So this is exactly Power Query Editor observe. So whatever you have seen there, the everything almost similar you can see. So that is table. Let me take the data first. There is no data here. That is why you are not experiencing it. Let me discard it. Let me connect the data first. Now you have data. Now observe, this is the data which you know already. So go to the data. There is the option from table. The moment you click on it, so it will open your Power Query Editor. So just like Power Query Editor, this is the Query Editor over here. So you can see everything here. Whatever you have experience over there, the same thing you can see here. So filter database, we couldn't find the Excel file. So let me go close everything, then open it. So this is also, let me close it. Now go here, click on it. We couldn't find the Excel table. So here you are not finding Excel table. This is Excel, not. Let me do one thing. Let me try to connect the data. So close and load property advanced editor. Where it is to load the data. Here there is no option. So if you have 365 recent latest version, so try with that. So you will check with the more options over here. So why data is not connecting? Let me go with the preview. Filter database. Let me take some of the data into the new Excel. I'm closing it. Okay, here it is the new sources. Here observe. So home menu only, here the last new sources. So click on it. So file, go to the Excel. The same procedure only, whatever you did for the Power Query. Select it, click on import. So these are all the options you come across by using Power Query Editor. The same thing you do practice here. I'm just showing you how you are going to connect the data only. So select your table. Then click on OK. So fine. See, everything is the common. So whatever you did over there, you can do here as well. So this is not order-wise. So you have to take this first as header. What is the option? Go here, go to the first as header, click on it. So everything you would applied step, almost you can see whatever the options that are there, you can play here also. You do practice it, whatever you practice in your Power BI. So for your better understanding from the Excel side also. So that is fine. After you make some changes, what you need to do, go here that, click on close and apply. So there, close and apply, here, close and load. So fine, your table is coming. So this is how you just do it. So which means that whenever you go to the Power Query Editor, so which means Query Editor here, so you know already here it is the drop down filter that is there. You can go with any filter. If you want to filter it out, you can filter. So for example, I want here that Los Angeles only, which you know already, but let me show you something. So I'm going here that I want only the California result. So let me give California only, select it, then click on OK. So all options the same. So go to the filters here also the same based on your data type. So you just have to understand what is the difference between your Power BI, Power Query Editor, here that Query Editor in your Excel. Simple. I have taken only the California data. Simple. So now I'm going to close and apply. So this is fine. So that is the drop down filter which you know already. Here also the drop down filters that are there. You can check it out. That is fine. So whatever you want to find out the drop down filter, by using that you can get in the result. So this is the simple thing. But here that there is the thing that is there, drop down filter, the slicer is also here in your Excel. Let me check with the Excel slicer. So is it enable or not? Slicer is not enabled. Let me open new data. I'm closing it. Otherwise, let me take the copy of some of my data. I'm going to take copy some of my data. So click on file. This is old version. That is why some options directly can't able to open. This is 2016 version. If you have 365 MS Office, that is very good. So I click on open now. Click on new, go here. So now paste it. Let me organize it well. Fine. So now what I'm doing, I'm selecting my table. Go to here the insert. Now your slicer is open. Enabled. Observe. The moment you click on the slicer, so it will ask you like this. You can't able to do anything over here. So in such cases, what you need to do, you have to go and create that something the tables. What you do. So again, select your table. Go to the insert. There is the pivot table option. Click on it. So it is ask you to radius. How you are going to get it. So what I'm doing, I'm going to give here in the new sheet or existing sheet. I'm going to click on existing sheet for now. So because tomorrow we will do that mini project. So in the existing sheet, you have to provide that location. So what you need to, you go here that. So select any location from here. I want to check it out. So go click on, otherwise let me take from here. Go click on OK. You can see your pivot table is turning into your filters. Everything data is coming. So now what slicer will give you here that, so you can create any visualization over here. So what I'm doing, let me take some of the visualization. So I'm dragging region into my columns. So not columns, into rows. Fine. So your regions are coming. Now what I'm doing, there is no sales now. You are not taking all the columns. So click on more tables. So let me click what it is going to give you. No, this is the wrong what I do. Let me select again entire table. I'm selecting entire table. Here also there is no sales and profit I need. Let me close it. So here sales profit. Let me try again here. Select RLO table. Go to the insert. Your slicer is not enabled. You are not getting the result. So let me select it from here. I need some profit sales also. Some of the data I'm taking from this. Control C. Go take that new. Here I'm pasting. So select all, organize it well, perfect. Now again what you need to do. So if you want to make it the headers different color, you can make it. That is fine. So fine. Now I'm selecting Control All. So I'm selecting enter my table. Now next step what you do, go to the insert. There is the pivot. First you make sure that your slicer is enabled or not. So if it is enabled, then go to the pivot table. So here it will ask you the radius. Here you need to provide the location. I'm going to create in the existing worksheet only, whatever the sheet that is there, sheet 1. So go here, select some of this location, go click on OK. Now you can see. Now let me create some of the visualization. So go here, same region you can take. So this region drag from there and drop into rows. Coming sales you can drag from there and drop into columns. So this is too bad. Let me drag into your rows only. This is also too bad. Let me drag into values. So this is good. So this is how you can create. So now what you do, again select entire this one table. So whatever you have created this visualization, then Control C, go and copy somewhere. So paste it. Simple. So now I want to change the different thing. So let me change here. Remove field. Or here also go here, remove field. Fine. So I want to create one more thing. So go take subcategory, drag from there to into the rows. Fine. And let me take the profit into values. Fine. And what I want here, that go scroll up somewhat. Region, let me take, where is that other columns? Only few columns we have taken. Now let me take region into my columns. Drag this from here to here. Otherwise, let me take category. So this is how there are so many gaps. So let me remove this one. Take the region to see the data, whether it is good or not. So this is also gaps. Okay, let it be whatever it is. So first you select your table first, any table. So click on escape, that will go on. So you have selected this one. Again, go to the insert. There are the different visualization over here, that the way you want to see your data. So for example, I want to see my data in this bar charts. Observe the down. The way you want to see your bar chart, you can see. So nothing bigger. So whatever you do there, here also you can do. The Power BI, and here also you can do. This is the 3D column. If you want to see, you can see. So this is how I want to see my data. Fine. So you can drag it anywhere. You can keep it somewhere. So you know already why we are using the bar chart. So in the Power BI, whatever we have discussed, the same thing applied over here for the visualizations. Fine. The same table only I'm selecting for to create that another. Control A. So selecting all. Go to the insert. There is the other type of the charts that are there. So here there is the another type of the charts. So you can go with any kind of the chart that you want, you can see. So area chart, whatever you want to see, you can see here. I'm selecting this. So this is, you can keep it somewhere. So this is line chart only, but the style is the different. So I'm selecting this one. So total, control A. Now going to insert. There are the another charts that are there. So I'm going to select this tree map, or you can use this one also, donut. So this is sunburst, not the donut, whatever you have experience over there, which means that there is the one circle, then outer that there is the another circle with the slicer only that you can see here. So if you want to get it, this is not giving you the chart. So let me take only the chart. So this is the pie chart. If you want to see your pie chart, you can see this is the donut chart. So I'm taking this pie chart. What you need to do, bring this into down. Fine. The same table only I'm selecting. Control All, go to the insert. And there is the another type of the charts that are there. You can take it. Any tree map that is. Another type that is there. Here also you can take it. Line chart. So this is also there. This is also there. You can take it. Anything. This is not giving you because of your the data is not matching for that visualization. So these are all the different visualizations that you want to do. You can do by using them. This is the simple thing. So apart from this, for example, you have created some of the visualization. Let me create one more. Let me try with this. Some random visualizations I'm taking. There is name also mentioned while you are using that visualization. I'm organizing the same way. Okay, fine. Let it be. So what I need to do, I want to understand the slicer. You already know how to apply that filters, but the problem is slicer is here important. So whatever you have selected columns for this pivot table, so you have selected those columns only. I want to see in the slicer. So fine. So now what you do here, it is the analyzer. There is the insert slicer. The moment you click on it, observe. So it is open whatever the columns that you have selected so far. So for example, I'm taking region wise. Click on it. Click on OK. So this is the slicer. You know already the slicer. So otherwise take this into here. The style, if you want to change any style that you can change it. So you can see the way data that you want to see, you can see. So fine, another slicer, I want to take one more. So if you want to experience with this slicer, you click anywhere, it is going to reflect. Only two only reflecting. So remaining thing, you can do it. So what you can do, select it, then go and check for the multiple options. So this is the option will give you to select the multiple or individual. So if you don't check it, it is going to select individual only. If you click on it, you can select multiple options. That is fine. I'm selecting all. So let me create that one more. So this one, let me control A. Now go to the slicer. Analyze, click on slicer. Now I want to take the subcategory. Click on OK. Now you can see your subcategory is coming. Bring this into down. Okay, fine. I am also selecting multiple. Style, I want to change something. This is not good. Let me take any style. Okay, fine. Let it be. You can click anywhere. It is going to reflect. So if it is not reflecting, you have to follow the some step. Now observe. This is the problem with Excel. That is why Power BI is so powerful. So that is giving you visualization. Everything is so clean. Now observe this is all. First step what I need to do, let me select it all. First to go to the view and there is the grid lines, remove it. So now your data is clean, go to the home. So you can give any background color that you want. So this is how. Now you click anywhere, only two charts that are reflecting, remaining two charts are not reflecting. What you need to do for that? So uncheck it. So uncheck any filters that is there, fine. Now go to the options and there is the report connection, click on it. And here it is the you need to select it all. So go click on OK. Now you can see all the data it is going to reflect. If you want to multiple selection, click on it. You can experience the beauty of your slicers here. So fine. So here also the same thing, select it, slicer, go to the connection. So select it, all the charts. Click on it, okay. So now you go click on anywhere, it is going to reflect all the charts. And this is how some of the the mini dashboards that you can do by using this one. Tomorrow we'll try to do some of the dashboard over here. So by using the proper thing. So that is fine. This is the difference between that normal drop down and the slicers in your Excel that you can experience it. So let's see the next one. There is the something, the unique values that you want to find out. So you already know about that, how to find that duplicates. So whenever you find the duplicates, you already know that how to remove the duplicates also. So whenever you try to remove the duplicate values, then what values that will be the remaining? Only unique values. So which means that you only by using your some of the options that you can give it. Otherwise, what you can do here that, so there is the one function that is there, unique function. So by using unique function also you will get that what is the unique values that are there available in that. But the problem is in my the current version 2016 this Excel, I can't able to experience this, but I will show you how to write that one. Nothing bigger. So you have to do write that unique function equal to unique. This is already this much. So then so your syntax is that first you have to select the cell starting to end. So what are the cells that you want to end? Then you can give the true. Whether it is the past, the giving you true, then give me result. Otherwise, don't give me result like that only. Nothing bigger. Fine. Let me check it out. That is not available in my version, but if you have in the latest version, you can take it. Just like sum, how you are going to calculate sum. So for example, if you want to calculate the sum, simple thing, you go select the range only. So whatever the range that you want, hit the enter. The same manner, unique also, for example, just give equal to, type here that unique. So there is no function with me, that is the problem. So it will come whenever you are trying to write. So you just try. And starting, for example, here it is the starting range that I want to take. So this is the range. From this, I want to know about that unique values. So then you have to give true only. So close it, hit the enter, you will get. So because I don't have that option version in this version, so that's why you try it on your own. Mostly for that, we are going to check that any IDs that are there, any duplicates. Otherwise, any order ID here that are any duplicates. In such cases, we are going to use for the unique values to find out. So that is the one thing you just have to understand. Let me click on escape. Fine. Now what I do, I'm selecting this entire thing. So how to do that one? Simple thing. Go to the duplicate values also. You can figure it out. Data and remove duplicates. So I'm selecting all the columns. For example, I want to only select the one column. So ID column. This is the second column. So unselect all. Only select the B column. So go click on OK. Based on that B column, you can understand these many duplicates that are there. Understand here the unique value is coming. So this is how whenever you use that unique function, you will highlight that whatever the unique values that are there, these many values in your data. So that try from your side if you have any latest one, the version. Otherwise, let it be not that important. So let's see the next one, some of the stuff. So I want to create the day wise, month wise. This is the some of the stuff. Let's see. First day wise, month wise, year wise data we will extract first. So my next scenario, I want to take that some of the dates. I'm copying from this. Control C. I'm going to paste on my new page. Control V. So this is the day. Next, what I'm doing, I want some of the sales over here. Let me take the sales. Okay, fine. This is some of the sales. I want to understand that day wise, month wise, like that. So if you want to extract the day, what you need to do? So go here that I'm giving that to you. You know already how to extract the day. So day of. So whatever the number that is there, hit the enter. So this is the date coming out from this column. So next step, what you need to do, just to drag it. So you will extract only the dates from that column. Fine. Next I want to month. So if you want a month, you can extract, but this scenario will not give you that. So let me make you understand only the month, how to extract it. So from this, hit the enter, you will get 11th month. So drag down till the down. So fine, this is last one is not there. Here also you can extract, that is fine. So our scenario is not this, but we have taken understand. So this is fine. Here also extract. The problem is my scenario is I want to day wise, month wise, year wise sales I want to extract, but there is no data and I want to show that some recommended tables. So if I extract this, what I need to do, I have to create the table. Let me create some table. So I want 30 days only. What you need to do, go to the home. There is the fill. There is the series. There is the column. I want to 1 to 30. Click on OK. You can see 30 days coming. Fine. So for example, there is the sum sales. So January, February. So drag it like this. You can get it out. Okay, fine. There is something the data which I'm loading here. This is too much. Otherwise, let me copy from here. These are all the very minimum values. Let me copy only one row to fill the data. Let it be till here 20th. I'm removing all those things. Till 20 dates only I'm taking. Let me paste copy from. Let me alternatively paste it. Fine. Let me take the data also from this column. Let me take some data. Okay, fine. Copy from here. So go paste here, paste here, paste here. Fine. This is the data which I have, something data. So my data is contained that here it is the dates. So you can select this column, give that some color. You can select this column, you can give that some other color for your understanding. Fine. Now observe here that this is the data which I have. For example, we have created that some of the charts by using here. So here can we do that same way whenever you have selected some of the charts or table. So by using this one, observe here. I'm going to select from here to down. Whenever you go select here that some of the data, so it is giving you some of that one. So the pop-up one, the moment you click on it, it automatically giving you what you want to see your data. So observe the way you want to format your data, it can automatically giving you. So but the problem is you have to select the data, whatever the data that is there. So this is the sum of the stuff basic level that you know already, you have experience with this under home main menu. But there is the option charts, observe here. So here also if you want to go for the line chart, this is how it is going to give you. So if you want to go for the more charts, click on it, observe. So here the recommended chart, this is will give you the better analysis that Excel is giving you recommendation. Otherwise there is the all charts that is there here. So you can go with any chart, it is giving you the result same. So whatever the chart type that you want, you can take it. So other things also there, line chart that you want to see, pie chart that you want to see. So like this, if you want to see your data, you can see. So this is almost, will give you the data into the pictographical analysis. This is the visualization. Stocks, if you want to give, so whether it is your data is exactly matching, suitable for to create such chart, that is only keep in mind, otherwise you will get that result fine. So this is how you can experience with this different data. Let me check this line or chart. So I'm taking this one, click on it, select it, click on OK. So you can create chart like this on top of that. So this is how you can expand it. Fine, you can change the format the way you want to see. Select your chart. It is not applying. It is not applying, it should apply. Let me take some of the data. So go to the same option here, go to the charts. So this one also you just check it, the average source or total percentage that you want to see, you can see. All running total, whatever you want to see your result, you can see. Table format you have to convert, you can convert. The spark lines if you want to see, you can see. So this is enabled. So disable, you can select with the new file, new Excel file that you can experience it. So I'm going with the charts only, go to the more, I'm selecting one more chart. I want to show you background, how you can change the background. Let me take some pie chart only. This is too bad. Let me select it now. Let me check it out. I want to see this backgrounds. It is not enabling. Okay, from this background only, whatever you click here, that whatever the format here it is, so you can see that one. So other options also there, color changing. So whatever you want to do, you can check it out here. So fine. So this is the sum of the stuff that you can do by using this one, the default chart automatically by your data. So for example, this is the small data. So if you have huge amount of the data like this, So let me remove unwanted one. So this is the total data. Control A you can give. So there is the pop-up message here. Observe. So this pop-up, quick analysis. The moment you click on it, so you go to the chart. So go to the recommend charts. It is giving you whatever you want to see your data. But the problem is, can you able to see that any automatically understanding by the Excel? No. So you are selecting the too many, the columns to so much data and data types. So it can't able to understand. So this is only the thing that you need to understand. The recommended, you just observe only this chart only it can give. So that is why in such cases you have to keep in mind what you need to select. So to get that quick analysis. So if I take that subcategory, so product name, sales only I'm taking, some of the data I'm selecting. So going with the quick analysis, go to the charts, you can easily understand it is giving you the insights. So go to the chart, any type of the chart you want to see, you can see the data. So this is very meaningful, and the definition also giving you down. So very decent. Click on it, you can see this one. So here it is not going. So here some of the formatting that is so good. So that's why I just wanted to show you. It is not coming up. That is, just try it out from your side. That is how you are going to create that recommended charts by using that quick analysis. Fine. Let's see the next one. So this is trend lines. We have seen already. Trend lines only. So we have seen into the next cell only. That is there. So if you want to see trend line over here, what you need to do, select it, enter cell. So this cell and go to insert. Here it is not enabled. Again, you need to take the copy. Let me copy it. Go to the new file. Go to the new.